everyone, by the way, my name is Jeffrey Lomakang. For today's video, I'm going to create a program using Python language.
Next, this is level 2 and number 7. Output variable using print, close and open parentheses with comma, and the next is A, B, C equals 5 and hello 3.5. The next is print E, B, and C equal hashtag using commas. Another hashtag is print E plus B plus C and close parentheses hashtag. This will cause a type error. Unsupported will cause a type error. Unsupported operated type. And for plus and ang int stands for integers and str stands for string. The commas in print is add space between the variables, and the plus operators concatenate string to use with numbers. You need to convert the numbers to string using string open parentheses and close. And print E plus B plus C will result in an error because you can't directly add a numbers and string. Str and close parentheses using plus and converting using plus converting numbers to strings, and there is ito para natong code kung yan ang result ng code